Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching insects and reptile names in Zulu. Ufezela. Ufezela. Ufezela means scorpion. Umiyane. Umiyane. Umiyane means mosquito. Ixoxo. Ixoxo. Ixoxo means frog. Intuthwane. Intuthwane. Intuthwane means ant. Isicabucabu. Isicabucabu means spider. Impukane. Impukane. Impukane means fly. Inyosi. Inyosi. Inyosi means bee. Ivemvane. Ivemvane. Ivemvane means butterfly. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.